Tamil Nadu is currently grappling with the impact of cyclonic storm Michaung, which is expected to intensify further today. The relentless heavy rains in Chennai have led to widespread disruptions in air, rail, metro, and road transportation. Many areas in the city are experiencing waterlogging and flooding. Chennai Airport has temporarily suspended operations for 2 hours due to heavy rainfall and resultant flooding. Furthermore, several flights bound for Chennai have been diverted to Bengaluru due to strong winds. The Alandur subway is also witnessing significant inundation. According to the Indian Meteorological Department, the storm is projected to develop into a severe cyclonic storm and is expected to cross the South Andhra Pradesh coast between Nellore and Machilipatnam on December 5th. The IMD forecast maximum sustained wind speeds of 80 to 90 km per hour, gusting up to 100 km per hour. In preparation for the cyclone, the National Disaster Response Force has deployed 18 teams to Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and Puducherry, with an additional 10 teams on standby.
The Michaung cyclone now lies at about 110 km east-northeast of Chennai. It has moved last 6 hours at the rate of 10 km per hour. Further, it is expected to move in west-northwestward direction and intensify into severe cyclonic storm by today forenoon. Further, it will move parallel to the coast of North Tamil Nadu and South Andhra, and it is expected to cross between Nellore and Masuripatnam by tomorrow forenoon. Due to this cyclone, during last 24 hours, many places recorded heavy to very heavy, and one or two places extremely heavy rainfall also occurred. Now, over the districts Chennai, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram, Chengalpet, the heavy rainfall and strong winds are likely to continue till today night. Further updates will be regularly provided.
Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for the latest updates.